now, Miss Piggy, to the question of how to make the recorder sound good and not squeaky and unpleasant. I'm sure you've blown bubbles before. I'm sure our audience has blown bubbles before. Now, if I want to blow bubbles, how do I blow? Do I blow hard or do I blow gently? How exciting! Oh, I love blowing bubbles, don't you? Now, if we blow gently on the recorder, Miss Piggy, then it sounds much, much better. Pretend that your recorder has some soap at the bottom and you have to gently blow bubbles out of it, like this. Listen to this owl sing. Hoo, 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 hoo. Can you do that? And then we replace the h with the t and go tu, 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 tu. And now we apply that to the recorder. For the recorder, we also use the t, but we whisper it like this. Tu, 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 tu. And then we blow that into the recorder.